Este es oficialmente mi primer YouTube Short y voy a hablarte de mi nueva pasión, pero te lo voy a contar en inglés. Airsoft came into my life through a old friend, the same one I made the short film AWAKEN with. We won, and it changed everything. I try to stay in shape by exercising daily, but I spend most of my time sitting at my desk for work, sometimes experiencing action through a screen. Airsoft, aside from being fun, has shown me something different. New ways to create, to live active, and to stay inspired. Also, it pushed me to evolve, physically and mentally, through discipline, honor, and real friendships. Discovering G&G Armament Contest took my artistic voice to another level. This hobby has completely transformed my life. Airsoft isn't just a game, it's evolution. And the most exciting thing es que apenas estamos comenzando.